Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video today, I want to talk about how to attract money into your life, how to attract abundance, prosperity into your life, how to attract anything into your life. And yes, I'm going to talk about law of attraction, okay? But for those of you who are already familiar with law of attraction, well, listen carefully because this is my point of view on law of attraction. It's a little bit differently. It is a little different. And then for those of you who don't know, that's great. This way you don't have to be confused by anything. So here it is. In order for actually to attract something into your life, you need to understand first how are you doing this process of attraction. How is it getting attracted to you? And for that, let's take an analogy of the flower. The flower that attracts bees. How does it do that? Yes, I know. Smell, the beauty, right? So why don't other flowers attract bees in the same way like certain flowers do? Because of the same factors. Attractiveness to them, okay? They attract somehow. But if you observe what exactly is a flower doing to attract this thing, it's nothing. It's just being itself. It's just doing its purpose. That's what it's doing. So its actual purpose is to be beautiful, to bring beauty in this world, to smell, to procreate, make more flowers, make more beauty in this world. At least in this limited example, let's think it's this purpose. But the point is, it attracts bees. It attracts everything. It attracts all the necessary things in its life. Everything is provided for it because it's doing its job, its purpose. Okay? It has the sun, it has the water, it has the bees, it has everything it needs. How does it do that? By vibrating at a certain frequency. That's how. So how are you gonna do this? How are you gonna attract everything into your life? How do you attract money, prosperity, anything, any kind of object, any kind of form or condition? How do you shape this reality? And the answer is by vibration. Everything is vibration. You have to understand the laws of vibration. Read some works of Tesla. Tesla understood frequency and vibration, and he created certain things that people still consider miracles because they're not available and not explained yet. But if you understand frequency and vibration, you understand how this whole game works. Everything is your mirror. Everything that you see, everybody that you meet is your mirror. Your mirror. And in order to actually change something in the mirror, do you actually physically manipulate the mirror when you want to change something on your face, when you brush your teeth? You actually physically manipulate the mirror? No, right? You don't. What do? Simple, right? You just touch yourself. Change something, paint something, fix something, whatever you need to do. But you don't do it with the mirror. You change it inside. Or you smile and the mirror smiles back. Correct? Super easy dynamics, right? If you just understand that this is a mirror, if you can prove it to yourself, if you can observe it, if you can really understand it, it becomes a no-brainer. And you start watching your behavior. You start watching your emotions, feelings, expressions of how you interact with this world, with people, with everything. When you do this, life becomes a game. Because by adjusting your own state, you start adjusting the mirror. Everything is around you. Okay? It is really simple. So in order to attract the money, let's recap. What do? You understand vibration. You understand vibrational scale. You do your research. you understand it. The good example would be to read the books of Dr. Hawkins, um, David Hawkins. Power versus Force is a classic, and he has got many good books on it also, which will explain a lot of things to you really logically, because this is how you need to understand these things, like really logically first. You need to make your mind believe in these things, to see the patterns, to understand. And then when your mind believes in these things, it will help you do whatever you need to do. It will help you bring all the prosperity or all the all the necessary things into your life. Okay? Really simple. By your vibration. So it's not exactly just what you think, it's everything. It's your state of being. So you have to be vibrationally at certain level vibrating, and everything else will be vibrating alike. So your goal is to master your own vibration, and that means mastering your own state of being. And how do we do this? And why do we need to do this? And all the other things connected to state of being, we're gonna talk in another videos. So stay tuned, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.